Hello everyone, welcome back again to Mufasuke channel with ZW3D 2020 3D modeling basic tutorial how to create a filter connection. I will create new and you can choose a part assembly. We can create sketch. I will use this blue plan and you can click OK. In here I will create a circle object. Okay, start from this point with a radius 10. We create again circle in here with a radius 5. Then next I will create circle at this point with a radius 5. You can click OK, and I will give a distance with this quick dimension tool. So you can click from this center point into this center point, and you can set for length into 30. Click OK. Now in here I will create a circle object. Start from this point with radius 2,5. Okay, now we also can create circle at this point with radius you can set into 7. Click OK. Now I will create line. We can connect by using tangan option. You can click in here tangan. Okay, click at this point into this point. Next we click at this point into this point. Click OK. I will use power trim to cut this circle object. Next I will create circle. Start from this point. We can set a radius in here into 3,5. We can click OK. Now we can close this sketch. We can convert this object into 3D models. I will use extrude command. For the first extrusion, I will select this profile. You can choose this option, and I will select this face and then click in here. Next in here you can click OK to apply. So in here I will use symmetrical option, and then I will set for extrusion in here into 3. Okay, we set into 3. You can click OK to apply. We extrude again this profile. Okay, it's cut 1. You can click extrusion. For profile, you can select this cut 1. And next, I will use this option. We select this face, and you can click apply. Now we can change for extrusion in here into 6. Okay, this is for 6, and you can click OK. We create again extrusion at this face. You can click extrude, and in here I will use offset option. You can click here offset, and we can use sink or expand. Okay, you can expand in outer set 2. Okay, like this for outer set 2, and for extrusion type I will set one side. So we can use extrusion to the top here with minus 6. Next we can use this option to make a taper in the top here. I will set for draft angle into 6. You can click OK to apply. Now in here I will create a circle object. Okay, you can click sketch, and then I will use XY plane. You can click in here again. So you can click OK. Now in here I will create a circle object. Start from this point. We can set for diameter in here into 1,5. Okay. Now we can set a distance. You can use this quick dimension. Start from center point into this point. Okay, I will give a distance in here into 9. Okay, you can click OK again. We close this sketch. We can use extrusion command to extrude this circle object. You can click extrude. For profile, you can select the circle, and I will extrude into this direction. We can use this cut option or remove. Okay, it will be removed. We can click apply. Now in here we can use basic editing like pattern feature. Okay, this is for polar array, and for base you can select this base. Okay, you also can click in here and select this option extrude cut. Click again in here. Next for direction, we can set into Z axis. it will be create these models, and you can set number 8 with angle 45. You can click OK to apply. So it will be create hole along these models. Finally, we can combine these two objects. You can use add a shape. You can click here, and for base I will select this base, and for add you can select these objects. You can click OK to apply. So the object will be combined into one. Okay, enough today for ZW3D 2020 basic 3D modeling tutorial, how to create a filter connection. If you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video, and see you next time in another ZW3D 2020 basic tutorial.